Good morning. You are joining me in my laundry room today, one of those places that I don't like going all the time. I'm sure you can relate if you're a mom and have kids. I have kids that are in sports and dance and that kind of thing, so laundry is never ending. But I'm excited to tell you about the laundry options that Norwex has. Before I started our health journey as a family, probably about 6 years ago, I just assumed that laundry detergent, it does its job. It washes your clothes, it rinses out, and that's all you have to worry about, right? Unfortunately, any laundry detergent leaves a residue on your clothes, and even some conventional laundry detergents you can actually feel on your clothes, and you might not notice that right away, but if you compare it to your clothes after you start using Norwex's laundry detergent, you're actually going to feel a difference. Your clothes will actually feel different. You won't feel this residue. Your skin is your largest organ in your body, and that residue is absorbed into your body throughout the day. And those residues have things called endocrine disruptors in them. They act as hormones in your body, which can really throw things out of balance. It can affect like asthma and allergy issues, but more seriously, it can hurt like children's development, so like babies and children, also reproductive issues with women, and also even lead to serious things like cancer. So it's definitely something to look into and to definitely try out. We recommend our laundry detergent for all of your microfiber to help it last much longer than the 2-year warranty. And I actually have claws that I have had for at least 6 years that are still going strong. So to help your Norwex last the longest, we recommend our detergent too. So let's get into talking about the 3 laundry detergents that Norwex offers. Our first detergent is our Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent. It is a powder. You might see it referred to as UPP. This stuff is great. So this is what I use for everything. I highly recommend this for cleaning your Norwex items, and I like it from everything from baby clothes all the way up to my husband's work things. One thing I tell people is when you get the bag, open it up, and there is a scoop in there. Throw this scoop out. You don't need that. Norwex consultants have done enough testing to realize that this is so concentrated that you even need less than what the container says. So if you have a high efficiency washing machine, use a teaspoon of that in a load of laundry. If you have a regular washing machine, we recommend 1 tablespoon for a load of laundry. So this bag, if you have a high efficiency washing machine, actually can last 200 loads, which is crazy. All of our laundry detergent is super concentrated. It's made of biodegradable ingredients. And let's look at my notes here. It is safe for septic systems. It is great for both conventional and high efficiency, like I said, and it doesn't have any fragrance, ammonia, chlorine, sulfates, dyes, bleach, all that yucky stuff that we don't want on our skin, and it dissolves really quickly and gets to work fast. It's great for hand washing too. You actually can mix a little bit of this in a spray bottle of water and use it as a multi-purpose cleaner, but this is like our do everything detergent. Next is our liquid laundry detergent. So it comes unscented and also with a lavender scent. It's really cool because every pump is actually the same amount of detergent that comes out each time. So there's no guesswork on like what amount you need. It has biodegradable ingredients. It also is 97% bio-based ingredients that are derived from nature, and it's also USDA certified, which is awesome, really cool. So it is enzyme based. So if you're not familiar with enzymes, picture them as little Pac-Mans. Certain enzymes tackle certain stains. So the enzymes on here are made to reduce odors, get rid of stains as far as like body odor, tea, chocolate, grass stain, the list goes on and on. of what these enzymes tackle. So this is also septic system safe. It's effective in hard water also, and it is super concentrated. So this is a really great option, like I said, for really active families. Our third detergent is our Eco Laundry Strips, which I got to try out firsthand when I traveled recently, and I stuck a few of these in my travel bag. So look how thin it is. You actually get, let's see, let me take these out so you can see them. So they're strips like this, and you rip them down the middle. So this will be 72 high efficiency loads, which is really cool. And look how thin these are. They have a really fresh scent to them, which is really nice and nice to smell in the laundry room. These are also bio-based ingredients. They dissolve super quick. They've been tested for allergies and are allergy safe. Let's see, they are USDA certified and 60% bio-based. They're safe for septic systems. They also are effective in hard water. I love the idea of these for travel, but you could use these every day too, especially if you're looking for something that has very, very little waste. We're used to those super big jugs, which all those jugs end up in the landfill. This is literally a paper or a cardboard sleeve with all your strips in there. So very little waste with this, which I love. If you're a camper, I like the idea of taking these with you camping, because we're all always looking for like things that don't take up a lot of room. Like I said, for traveling, great for high efficiency and regular washing machines, and a really cool thing to try out. With our laundry detergent, we have also some extra helpers for your laundry room. First off is our Fluff and Tumble dryer balls. These are great. If you're used to using dryer sheets, I highly recommend you ditch them. Dryer sheets are actually one of the most toxic things in our household and create a coating on your washing or your dryer and on your clothes that is just not healthy for us. So I encourage you to switch to dryer balls. These are made of 100% New Zealand wool, and you can actually put essential oils, a drop on these if you want to add a scent to your dryer. But these help reduce how much dry time your dryer takes to dry your clothes. I was like highly excited that I was like, wow, my stuff is like drier so much quicker. So they are great for this at fluffing up your laundry too. So those are the dryer balls. And then secondly, we have two laundry boosters. So the first one is our microfiber cleaner. And this is recommended to deep clean your Norwex cloths. Every 6 months to a year, you would need to deep clean your cloths. So our cloths work a lot. So they collect a lot of dirt, and over time they just need a deep clean. They need a trip to the spa to get all of the work that they've picked up throughout our house. So literally, if you take a scoop of this in some really hot water, you soak your cloths, the water will turn brown and yuck, and you throw them in the washing machine, and it will revive your cloths to work many more years. So that is our microfiber cleaner. It's also good at deep cleaning other things around your house, especially if it's something that you can't necessarily put in the washing machine. Like I've done baseball caps, I've done car seat like liner things to like soak. Actually, I've seen people do bras and lingerie that just needs like a deep clean, and it does the same thing. It'll draw out all that like dirt that's just kind of gets caked in there. So that's the microfiber cleaner. And then secondly is our Bright and White. This is relatively new to Norwex, and it is really great. It works great in cold water, which is nice. You can add a scoop to this to your white or for brights along with your laundry detergent, but you could also soak things in this. So I had some white laundry or white curtains hanging in my office that I took down, and they were just looking so dingy. I soaked one because I want to see the difference, and there was a huge difference how white this got compared to the other one. So I ended up doing them both, and they are super bright and white now. So this is an alternative to having to use bleach, and it is color safe and bleach free. I wanted to see, there's something about so it works with the power of oxygen and enzymes. So it targets those stains and things. So that is the Bright and White. And then lastly, something that I use as a mom a lot is our stain remover. This is new and improved, and I love it. It works great on those hard stains that just like need a little help. So you just can soak them or squirt a little bit on it, scrub it a little bit. It has five enzymes in it that really target those specific stains like food and oil and that kind of stuff in your clothes. So I will put a little on, scrub it together, let it sit for a little bit, and then I'll throw it in the washing machine. And that is a great alternative to other stain removers you might be using. So that is all there is to know about the laundry right now. If you have any other questions about laundry or specific laundry problems, let me know. And I hope everybody has a great day.